Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush, the Discover Boss. So we're here at Via at BRAEMAR. This is a 10-story apartment complex. Was sold out in the first 2 weeks once it went on the market. Just giving you guys an update on this project. I haven't given you guys an update in a while. The developer is Proven Real Estate Investment Trust, Proven REIT. That's the company that's developing this complex. So far they have reached around 7 floors out of the 10. They're developing this as a luxurious apartment complex. Rooftop pool, elevator, gym, jogging trail, underground parking. So a lot of amenities. I think prices start at 27 mil for one of the 1-bedroom. They also have 2-bedroom and studio units as well. So Via at BRAEMAR, it's 21 BRAEMAR Avenue. It's close to other apartment complexes like Cambridge, Hampshire, and a few others as well. So central location in New Kingston. As usual guys, if you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. Subscribing is free, so just turn that red button gray, turn on your post notification bell as well so you can join the you can get alerted once a new video is uploaded. Remember to leave a comment. Comments help the channel. It also distributes the video to newer persons that haven't been on the channel before. And definitely share the video and like the video as well. So as usual guys, let me know your thought on this project. 21 BRAEMAR Avenue. And then this is another empty land that I'm sure will be developed soon. And it's right next to the boot camp, a fitness center. So Via at BRAEMAR. Alright, so it's being developed at a price of 2.5 million Jamaican dollars. Lots of money being spent on this new Kingston luxury apartment complex. That's what it's being marketed as. And they'll have like a coffee shop and other businesses on the first floor, while the apartments will be on the top floor. They'll have concierge service. So they're trying to put in everything, you know, close to the likes of 20 South. I think 20 South has made the benchmark for a lot of these apartments. If you haven't seen my 20 South video guys, I'll put it in the comments and description. I would rate 20 South as the current best apartment complex in Kingston. Would you agree? Or which apartment complex, whether finished or still under construction, would you rate over 20 South? And again, I'll put 20 South link in the description and in the comments so you guys can take a look at that apartment complex if you haven't yet done so. I'll put also the very first video I did on this project, Via at BRAEMAR, in the comments and in the description as well, so you guys can see where it's coming from to this stage. So most of these projects right now, the contracting company is usually Chinese based. So you have a mixture of Chinese workers along with Jamaicans. And again, some apartment complexes is close by as well. So I think they're doing some decking, some casting of concrete. Alright guys, and again, leave your comments. The comments help some engagement on the channel. You know, most times the comment will start a discussion, valuable discussion as well. It also helps to boost the video as well to persons that have never been on the channel. So again, Braemar Avenue, update number 3 on the via at Braemar Apartment Complex. Alright guys, see you on another update, another construction update, another new project, or just another discovery.